Hey guys, it's Connor with Fountainhead Mechanical. We're here at one of our high-rise buildings, and today we're going to be taking a look at an atmospheric boiler. What is a boiler? So a boiler is the main heating component for your building. So during the winter months, this is what actually provides heat to either your fan coil, your in-floor heating, or your baseboard heating. So it's really important that we keep these maintained and up to our specifications and what the manufacturer is looking for to ensure that during those heating months, you don't have one of these go down and have a loss of heat in your building. As of January 1st, 2025, we're actually no longer allowed to install anything that's not high efficient, as if it's above 300,000 BTUs. Now, a BTU is a British thermal unit, and what that measurement is the amount of energy it takes in order to change 1 pound of water 1 degree Fahrenheit, either up or down. So you'll see it on your AC system, or you'll also see it on your boiler system. In saying that, one thing that's really important is that we really maintain this, because as far as internal components are concerned, you can't really get new ones. We can still get some external components like gas valves and some of the other safeties that we have, but it is very important that we keep the exchangers and the burners and everything as clean and operational as possible. During our maintenance, we want to be looking at these things every 3 months, kind of on a minimum basis. And the main reason for that is to make sure that it's operating properly. If we do run into an issue with it and it does require replacement, we could be looking at redoing the water connections to it, redoing the gas lines, and redoing all the venting. So all that extra material and reconfiguring your system in order to match the new boiler, that can be very expensive and costly to the building. So it's really, really important that once per year we're coming in and we're putting it into a state like this, where we have the shell kind of removed. We can go through the burners, we can look at the exchanger, take a look at the refractory, which is kind of like the insulation for it, and really make sure that everything is as clean and operating as it should, as per the manufacturer's recommendations, their specifications, and ensuring that you guys will have heat when you guys need it.
Just going over our safeties here on our atmospheric boiler. This unit has multiple external safeties to protect the boiler from anything from overheating to over gas pressure. If it gets too little gas pressure, it'll also shut the boiler off and protect the system. So our atmospheric boiler here has a copper exchanger. That's the component where the water flows through. It could be either used for domestic or heating purposes. At this building here, it's used for heating, but it could be used to go to your faucets, your sinks, your tubs, which is a huge advantage of the copper heat exchanger. The atmospheric boiler, I believe, is built like a tank, and if you keep it maintained, we come to our preventative maintenance, you'll be good to go.